What is up, YouTubers, Diecast collectors? It is me, the J-Man 63. Today we have a mail call, mail drop, whatever you want to call it. Have a little video for you guys. So let's get going without further ado and unbox this. First, today's unboxing is brought to you by www.diecastmodelswholesale.com. Remember to use coupon NEXT or coupon COMPLETE to get 10% off your order. Alright, so let's dig into this thing. Alrighty, unboxing tool here. Always with Diecast Models Wholesale, they package it nice and carefully. And FedEx, it takes a while, but you know, they got it delivered, which is good. I'm very happy. Alright, let's tear into this thing, yo. Alright. Got a lot of stuff to showcase here, so I'm not going to waste any time with this. First bit, bubble wrap. Side of post saying what's in the box. If y'all had seen that, take a few guesses before you watch this video. Alright, let's get rolling. First off, we have some film and TV stuff. Have the Ace Ventura monster truck. That's pretty cool. Thought that was a neat one. Here's the back. If y'all want to pause and read that, I'm not going to read it. There you go. Was looking for this guy at Target. Finally got it. Green Hornet Black Beauty. Very cool piece. Happy to have that in my collection. Here's the rest on the back that you can collect. Pretty awesome with these Johnny Lightnings. Really loving these. Pretty cool model. Alright, I got a few more to unbox here. Next unbagging. I don't think they screwed my order up, at least I hope not. Pray they didn't. Alright, we got some more Johnny Lightnings. Trying to remember exactly what I ordered. Yep, these are it. Sunbeam Tiger, Dr. No. Pretty cool model. Happy to have that in my collection. I love James Bond stuff. And here is for your, I believe this is for your eyes only. There's a film poster right there. Here's the facts about the thing if you want to pause and read that. And the movie. Have a couple more to go. We're going to unbag these. Let me see where the bubble wrap ends here and I can get it. Alright, there we go. Alright. We have a lot packed into this thing. Here's my 2-packs. Save the better ones for here. Believe it or not, on all this, I only spent like 70 bucks, so it wasn't too bad of a deal on these closeouts. Got the Baldwin Motion 2-pack. Very, very cool. Here's the factoids right there if you want to read that. That's pretty cool. Also got another Baldwin Motion Performance 2-pack. I thought this was pretty sweet. Another set of Camaros. Very, very cool. Here's the factoid panel if y'all want to read that. And I gotta feed the cats in a minute here because I'll tell you what, they're begging me for food, man. Alright, I gotta get my camera readjusted. There we go. And then last but not least, Guess I got the more exciting stuff out of the way. Because these are kind of cool, but they're not anywhere near as exciting. Well, it's all kind of cool, so. Got a killer deal on closeouts. Like I said, 70 bucks. I ain't complaining. Alright, so unwrap this thing here. And finally, I'm going to save the really cool one for last. This one's pretty neat. The 2021 Broncos Sport, the Rebel Rally winner. That one's pretty neat. I don't think they got any facts on the back about it. This was a cool green light to get. Like the racing history behind that. And finally, I got the RoboCop Ford Taurus. Very, very cool. The LX. And there's something on the back there. Not very much info, but I thought that was cool. Alright guys, well, there's going to be a big haul to follow today. We're going to have a follow-up video with a big, massive mega haul. That'll be a summer special with everything included in it. Right now, I just wanted to get the small stuff out of the way, get the unboxings done. Anyway, guys, remember to check out the rest of the channel. Remember to comment down below. Make sure to hit that like button and smash the bell. And remember to consider checking out the rest of my channel. And if it has to do with Diecast, it has to be the J-Man 63. See you later, guys. Bye.